Sunday, May 12th. Still got two little pods there that haven't opened on my orchid. All the other ones are pretty much open. They last quite a while, and well, they take a long time to open up too. The last ones have it's been a little while, a couple weeks. Anyways, I just watched a video from Homestead Heart about their garden and the loss of a year's crop by some soil amendment that they use. Black cow, they use some black cow. These are really doing good. I got to pick a bunch of those. So anyways, the thing that really kind of sticks in my, they put black plastic on the ground. I don't know how you can do that. Well, you can do it if you're not in Florida. That down here would cook everything. But anyways, they used black cow, and it wasn't composted thoroughly enough. It was a little too green, and it created a bunch of ammonia in the soil, and being locked in by that black plastic probably didn't help. Again, if you had an above ground mesh bag where some of that ammonia could get out, you might not hurt it. But it seems to me like that black cow manure amendment that you buy at the store. Here, look at all these burned up. That's sunburnt. These are sunburnt. Most of these are sunburnt, but I got my thing up yesterday. But yeah, it just goes to show, you know, you put all this work, all this time, all this effort, you know, all these cups, all these bags. This is months worth of work here. And, you know, I could have a thunderstorm this afternoon, 50-mile-an-hour wind, just come in here and knock everything over, break off tree branches, land on here. You can get wiped out pretty quick. You can lose a lot of crop really fast. And, you know, little things, just something like, you know, you put some fertilizer in there and something's wrong with it that you can't detect at all until after it happens. So yeah, really horrible. You know, it's not just like, you know, throw some dirt in there and put a seed in and wait for Mother Nature to take her course and you're going to have a bunch of crops. And it's nice out today. It's like 68, 70 degrees maybe. Yeah, the other morning it was like 77 when I got up and really humid. We got little clouds, kind of little overcast. Everything's kind of moving to the east. And maybe we'll get some rain this afternoon if all these clouds move in and we get enough temperature jump. It's got to go up like 40 or 50 degrees during the day, and then you get enough heat that builds the clouds so you get some thunderstorms, and that's what we're waiting on. But yeah, somebody commented that my stuff didn't look, I needed some healthier looking plants, which it didn't irk me or anything. I just thought it was kind of funny. And that is an outstanding looking pepper right there. You ain't gonna get a healthier looking pepper than that. Look at the bumps and the spikes on that thing. It is gnarly bruh. There's another one right next to it. This got a tiny little tail on now. This is my tiny tails. Or no, that's not my tiny tails. This is, well, these three are supposed to be the same seed bunch. They're the same seed, but this one came out orange for some reason. The other two are chocolate, and the other two have these tiny little tails, well, on some of them here and there. I've shown it before. But yeah, devastating. The garden devastation can happen really quick. Oh, I pulled this one here. Oops, watch the focus there. Sorry about that. I pulled this bamboo. This is where my ugly tomatoes sprouted, and it was in this black pot over here. That's like, I don't know, 12, 15 gallon pot, and in there probably 3, 4, 5 years maybe, and it gets so packed down that you know, the roots are just, it's like trying to grow in concrete. And you got to have aggregate, you got to have chunks of wood, you got to have stuff in there to keep it light and from getting too packed down. But that's what happens to those black pots. That's why I like the mesh bag. It's flexible. You can tip that bag on its side, step on it, smash it around, kind of till it without having to actually pull everything out and till it. That's that. That's a remarkable looking plant right there. That's not unhealthy at all. All that white stuff on there is diatomaceous earth that I was throwing around the other day. Oh, there's a big old tail on that one. Look at that. Yeah. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little baby peppers. Uh-oh, fir missile incoming. But yeah. And then this one Trinidad that I pulled out of the 3-gallon pot, put some more stuff in the bottom and stuck it back in. That's actually growing some leaves now. So these might be able to be helped, but yeah, that's a lot of work to do for a 3-year-old plant that's kind of already failed. It should already have, each one of those plants should have a dozen peppers on it or more. I mean, a couple of them have a few peppers, but they're just not there. Actually, I gotta get the hose out and fill these trays up, get everything watered. Oh, I got the new tray over here, got some plants going in there, chopped down the big ragweed that was over there. Oh, I got my barrel put in, got the barrel, Brondo barrel up on 3 stacks of block there. So that's up the highest of any of my barrels now. So when I get that full of water, that's gonna be able to irrigate, but I'm gonna have to run a pump to fill it. So yeah, nice cool morning, overcast, not too much sun coming in to cook everything. Yesterday morning it was probably 85, 90 degrees out here by this time in the morning. It's only like probably 8:30, 9 o'clock right now. But yeah, the sun is is up pretty high, so it would be direct sun in here right now, and the sunshade would be shading over there somewhere. But yeah, homestead heart, that's terrible. It's horrible that you lost that much crop, that much. You know, and I'm a tiny little garden. I mean, look what I got here. I got 50, maybe 60 plants, and a rabbit can come in here, and a rabbit has come in here and, you know, wipe out like 6, 7, 8 plants at a time. They don't. I got a few of them over here that were like that. Where'd they go? They're just little stubs. They're starting to grow back. There's one. Took that down to just about nothing. There's a few other ones that I think I did. There's one there, chocolate fatale, that got crunched off. So that whole plant, it should be about, well, it should be kind of like, where'd that other one go? Where'd my other new bag? Oh, I put it down there. Yeah, that thing should be, you know, almost 18 inches tall, starting to branch out like these guys here. Should look like that, but it's a little nub. There's another nub there. Oh, that one, that you got the whole plant in that one. So there's the second little plant, and there's trying to come. All right, I gotta water all these, but yeah, homestead heart. Man, I feel terrible seeing that much loss in somebody's garden. Oh, there it is. Now the sun's starting to peek through. But yeah, really nice and cool today.